Hello guys, welcome back my channel. I'm M.Yusril M.F. Now we'll tell about cause and effects of flood. Okay, don't talk too much and let's enjoy this video. Cause and effect flood. A flood is an overflow of water that submerges land which is usually dry. Floods are common natural disasters that can affect millions of people around the world. Flood is so detrimental that we must protect our environment. Flooding may occur as an overflow of water bodies, such as a river, lake, or ocean, in which the water overflows or precipitates, resulting in some of that water escaping its usual boundaries, or it may occur through an accumulation of rainwater or saturated ground in an area flood. When too much water has rained of a certain area, the starts getting flooded, creating a pickup and water starts to flow on the street. Floods often damage to homes and business if they are in the natural flood plains of river. While river flood damage can be eliminated by moving away from river and other bodies of water, floods can happen on flat or low-lying areas when water is supplied by rainfall or snow melt more rapidly than it can either infiltrate or run out. During floods, humans can lose so much. One of the most dangerous things a person could lose would be their life. If a person gets caught in a flood and is swept away, they have the risk of drowning in the water. Many times people die not only from the flood itself, but the effects after the flood, such as starvation, hazardous objects floating in the water, and much more. Because of the water, it is harder for medical purposes to help civilians. The people rely on the earthworks to bring resource food. Consequently, if the earthworks have a hard time getting through the water, many families starve to death. Floods are part of everyday life. They are caused by too much rain, hurricanes, breaking of dams, and some caused by humans. Many times the effects are devastating. The environment and economy are destroyed. Land is washed away, houses are destroyed, and people's lives are changed forever. Therefore, we must always protect our environment to avoid the disaster that we don't want. Okay guys, that's all my video, and thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.